The best massage shower head. Enjoy a spa-like showering experience at home with our list of the best massage shower heads. Massage shower heads can make a huge difference to your showering experience. They work well if you want to address some pain points while taking a shower and help you relax and rejuvenate. While some are fixed, others may contain a 360-degree rotatable head or a long hose that helps reach different pressure points. These shower heads are easy to install and compatible with most bathroom connections and fittings. So, take a look at our list to learn more about the various massage shower heads. Number 1. Best convenient. Waterpik handheld shower head. Equipped with 4 spray settings, this water massage shower head from Waterpik allows you to choose a setting based on your mood. The handheld shower head comes with a 5-foot hose for convenience and can be installed without the requirement of tools or a plumber. This massaging shower head offers a range of modes to meet your need, including slow massage, pulsating massage, full body spray, and full body. Use as an overhead shower by placing the handle in the adjustable bracket holder, or as a shower head with handheld spray with a 5-foot hose. Waterpik shower heads provide high-style, powerful performance and are an affordable way to quickly and easily upgrade your shower experience. This item is an adjustable angle bracket, multiple spray settings, long hose for convenience, easy to install, no pipe tape required, and includes an instruction manual. Number 2. Best long-lasting. Hammerhead Showers Handheld Shower Head. Hammerhead Showers Handheld Shower Head is one of the best massage shower heads you can find in the market due to its metal components and industry-rated 2.5 GPM flow rate. In addition, it comes with 3 unique spray settings to offer you a spa-like experience. The shower head is built from durable 304 stainless steel and features a silicone nozzle for easy cleaning. Shampooing your hair, bathing your kids, washing your dogs? Put your bucket away because our extra-long 72-inch shower hose can reach most areas of the shower, giving you the versatility you need in your household. Make sure you use the massage spray to deep clean that super thick hair. While other handheld shower headsets are made from cheap plastic that breaks and leaks after a few months, Hammerhead Showers products are made from all metal. We select only the highest quality commercial-grade materials like brass and 304 stainless steel, so you spend less time replacing and more time relaxing. This item is long-lasting. Adjustable 360-degree rotating holder. Adjustable pressure. Industrial electroplating. De-installation and BPA-free. Number 3. Best easy to install. Waterpik PowerPulse Massage Shower Head. Designed with the patented PowerPulse massage technology, the massage shower head from Waterpik delivers twice the massage force as regular ones available in the market. The powerful shower head offers 6 spray settings to give you a full body massage and soothe muscle tension. Further, it comes with a 5-foot hose to enhance convenience when bathing. Use as an overhead shower by placing the handle in the adjustable bracket holder, or as a shower head with handheld spray with a 5-foot hose. This massaging shower head offers a range of modes to meet your need, including slow massage, pulsating massage, full body spray, and full body. Waterpik shower heads provide high-style, powerful performance and are an affordable way to quickly and easily upgrade your shower experience. This item includes a bracket holder and 2 washers. Water-saving mode. Promotes sleep and is easy to install. Number 4. Best anti-leak. Sinvula Handheld Shower Head. The unique hand spray from Sinvula comes with 6 different spray modes to provide you with the ultimate shower experience, even at low water flow and pressure levels. Further, it comes with a 5.7-foot super flexible and durable stainless steel shower hose and a high-quality Teflon tape for ease of installation. Shower kit and 100% manufacturer guarantee. This shower head kit includes a 5-inch brushed nickel hand shower with 2.5 GPM flow restrictor, 5.7-foot stainless steel hose, adjustable ball joint bracket, Teflon tape, and installation manual. This item is a removable flow restrictor, tool-free connection, lightweight, high-quality ABS body, anti-clog nozzle, and 360-degree adjustable ball joint bracket. Number 5. Best lead-free. Amazing Force Handheld Shower Head. Amazing Force Handheld Shower Head comes with 7 spray settings, ranging from simple massage to high-pressure shower. The nozzles are made of soft silicone TPR to prevent any mineral accumulation, while the 5-foot hose is made of stainless steel to prevent rusting or fading. Further, the strong suction shower holder allows you to place the shower arm at any desired height. The shower hose measures 71 inches, which deliver real flexibility and a convenient washing experience to use in cleaning the tub shower combination or your pets. Quality 304 stainless steel outer tube ensured durability and anti-corrosion. Bushed nickel finish resist corrosion and tarnishing. High pressure resistance. This item is multiple spray settings. Vacuum suction cup holder. Adjustable dual brackets. Chrome plated ABS body and lead free. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.